is Tan Do. I'm a CEO of Plug and Play. I was always a hands-on person. Got a trait from my dad. He's always building stuff, and I'm always watching him doing things when I was younger. As time passed, that became my trade. I love electronics, from building it to fabricating it, make it better. Or you put A and B together, you want to make it work, right? It's a challenge. It's hard work, but at the end of the day, once the project's done, I enjoy it. I was able to hold my skill. So after 20 years, I started my business full-time. Every project is a unique project for us. Every house is built differently. Everyone wants certain things. So we come in, we talk to them, assess what they need, what they want, and after that, how do we make it work for them? If they're not into technology, they're going to be lost. A lot of my customers don't want to deal with the headache. They just want it to work properly. I know it can be pretty frustrating knowing that their place uses a lot of energy or their task becomes very repetitive. We help smarten up your place. We design and install systems that will automate lighting, temperature, security, and even entertainment for your house. At Plug and Play, we always want to make our customers happy, and customer service is our #1 goal. When the project starts, I'm in the front line, making sure that the project goes smoothly. If you don't want to deal with tons of cable, drilling holes in the wall, or don't want to do it yourself, and you just want your equipment to work, then call us. We'll take care of you.